What's up, everybody? Alright, I just got done doing an install on a 2019 Hobie Outback with our new Groovy Landing Gear. In doing this install, we noticed a few changes with the 2019, so you have a couple options. And I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see exactly what we have going on. Alright, so as you know, before we typically mounted it in this skinnier outside gunnel of the kayak. It appears with their design changes that this might have gotten a little bit thinner, and I also noticed a lot thinner plastic on this one and the other 2019 that I've installed on. So in looking around, we did something different. As you can see, we mounted it to this flat portion right here. I'm going to spin it around so you can see it from that angle. Alright, so for this install I utilized the UHMW stiffener and the 5-inch stainless steel backing plate. This is the design that I used on the stiffener. As you can see, it will go underneath the knuckle and then also go around the insert for the molded in rod holder. It's a very clean install. It was relatively simple. It took just a little bit of time because you can't really reach it from this back hatch. The back hatch is going to make it a whole lot easier, and if you can even get another one, and if you can put one up front in this area, it'll be a super easy install. But just wanted to give you a look at the 2019 Outback, another option. We're still going to sell the normal Outback kit with the rounded backing plates, so you can put it in this area in the traditional mount. But here's just another option. If you want to do it like this, you will purchase the standard kit instead of the Outback kit. Also, for those of you who are wondering, you can still use the Hobie live well with this install where it is, or with the traditional way. I've got one here and I've already put it in. I just didn't have it in here for the video so you could have a lot more room to see how I installed it.